I've been playing around painting some robins. Look at these guys. So I said I would do a quick wee tutorial. So I'm just going to go for it. A round shape. Now the important thing about this is that I'm using a non-waterproof pen because I quite like the way the lines are all bleeding when I use the watercolour on top of it. So just do a wonky circle, stick a beak, a very imperfect beak on it somewhere, chuck in a couple of legs. Oh, I'm hearing my son coming running down the stairs. I wonder if he's going to come in.
You think I can go over to them? Oh, I love those!
Okay, Samuel.
They're so pretty.
Okay, so I am recording, so just give me a wee minute. Did I not show them to you? So, let's just do that. We'll give him a wee wing here, a wee round wing. I'm just grabbing some, what colour is that? Quinacridone Gold. Okay, and I'm going to chuck that onto his belly. So there's some gold, and look, you can see the pen bleeding. Now if it was doing that when I was doing one of my building paintings, it could make quite a cool effect, but most of the time it's not what I'm looking for. So that was quite a sort of gold colour. Now I'm going to go back and I'm going to go for Quinacridone Burnt Orange. So I'll throw some of that in as well. See what a vibrant colour that is. It's fabulous. Just chuck it in. And then finally I'm going to go and grab a wee bit of red. It's quite difficult doing this with a camera in one hand. Right, throw some red in as well. And then I'm just going to go get some dark colours. So this one here is Paynes Grey. I'll just jump in and get a wee bit of brown as well. And I'm going straight in to the dark bits of the robin. Oh yes, you can hold it for me, thank you, Samuel. Can you make sure that, yeah. Okay, so we're just doing that, and I'm going to make sure I go over the lines because that's quite a cool effect. We're not wanting anything neat here. And I just throw a wee bit more gold in there. And honestly, that is about it. Maybe I'll try and get a wee bit more dark in because there's so much water here. The dark colour is disappearing. So what will I do? I'll get some more Paynes Grey. And just try and drop it in there without it disappearing. So Samuel's my cameraman just now. So that's that. What I'm going to have to do though is wait a wee second for the paint to dry before I draw in the eye, because the ink from the pen, which is not waterproof, will really just bleed everywhere, so it'll just be a big black splodge. So I'm going to just paint in a quick branch like this, a line across there, across the feet. Maybe throw in a wee bit of gold to give it a nice bit of alternative colour. So while I wait for the paint to dry, I didn't draw in a wee tail. So I'm just going to draw in, I've lost my cameraman, it's back to me. I'm just going to draw in a wee tail like that. Then get my brush and put in some more of the dark colour. So again, this is Paynes Grey, and I'll go throw a wee bit of brown in with a touch of the orange just to warm the colour up a wee bit. I'll go back over the bottom as well. So there's a messy tail. You can see it's really messy. You're just dropping colour in, you're not being precise at all, and it'll just settle in a nice loose way. So draw the eye in now. I'm just going to draw in will that do? Will that do us for the eye? I think that'll do. So that's the wee robin. So I'll come up and show you. I've just sketched all these robins earlier on today, and literally took me about 3 minutes each. They're so cute. Okay, so go for it. Just draw different shapes and have fun. Bye.